Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Introducing Neural Networks. AI's brain-inspired powerhouse. Ever wonder how computers learn to recognize faces or understand your voice? That's artificial intelligence, AI, at work. And at the heart of much modern AI are neural networks, powerful computer systems inspired by the human brain. Think of AI as giving computers a brain, and neural networks are the core technology making that brain smart and capable. As developers, understanding these empowers you to build the next generation of intelligent applications. Our own brains are incredible learning machines. They're made of billions of tiny cells called neurons, which communicate by sending electrical signals. When you learn something new, these connections change and strengthen. This biological magic is what scientists looked at when trying to make computers learn. We're not replicating a brain exactly, but taking its fundamental idea of connected decision makers. In a neural network, we have artificial neurons. Imagine a tiny digital decision maker. It takes several pieces of information, called inputs, assigns an importance to each, weight, adds them all up, and then decides whether to fire a signal forward based on that total. Think of it like a simple function in your code that takes arguments, does some calculations, and returns a single output. A single artificial neuron isn't super smart on its own, but connect thousands or millions of them in layers, and you get powerful capabilities. We typically have an input layer, where your data enters, one or more hidden layers, where the complex calculations happen, and an output layer, which gives the final prediction or result. It's like building a sophisticated data pipeline with multiple processing stages, each adding to the intelligence. Neural networks learn by being shown lots of examples. Data. For instance, if you want it to recognize cats, you show it thousands of cat pictures. Initially, it makes random guesses. We then compare its guess to the correct answer, calculate the error, and tell the network to adjust its internal weights slightly to get closer to the right answer next time. This process, called training, is repeated over and over until the network becomes highly accurate. It's like debugging and refining your code based on test cases. Neural networks are everywhere. They power image recognition, identifying objects in photos, e.g., in your phone's camera roll, natural language processing, NLP, understanding and generating human language, like ChatGPT or voice assistants, recommendation systems, suggesting movies, products, or music you might like, self-driving cars, helping vehicles see and react to their environment. As developers, you'll be working with these capabilities daily. As a developer, you don't always need to build a neural network from scratch. You'll often use powerful libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch, which provide pre-built components and tools. Your role involves preparing data, choosing the right network architecture, training and fine-tuning models, and integrating these intelligent systems into your applications, APIs, or websites. Think of NNs as powerful, reusable software modules that you can plug into your projects. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.